Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can adjust your correct aspect ratio on CapCut. So all you have to do is choose the video or the image you want to correct the aspect ratio on CapCut. So once you've done that on CapCut, you have to just scroll at the bottom right. You see where it says aspect ratio. You click on aspect ratio, and with the different, you will see all the different options you have. So for example, you have TikTok, which is a 9:16. You have Instagram, which is a 1:1. You have YouTube, where I'm uploading, which is a 16:9. You have other videos, which is also a 4:3. You have a 3:4. All the different options. So you have the different options where you want to choose. So if you want to upload a video to TikTok, I think 9:16 is the best option, which is the original for the iPhone, which I'm using. And YouTube, where we're uploading, is 16:9, which I choose, and it will change the option of the video. So that's about it, guys. So this is how you can change the aspect ratio of your videos on CapCut. Thank you.